Of course, the conference was very good, and it was. It also was a conference with a focus on the manufacturing side, which is good because typically we have conferences focused on, I would say, the financial sector and systems and technologies, but the manufacturing side, because of so much digitalization happening, this conference really brought out rather the unique challenges which the manufacturing sector faces. My big takeaway, because I'm a cyber person, right, cyber security professional, my takeaway was that the way forward for managing risks is going to be tough actually, and I would say the critical risks that organizations face, those have to be really discussed about, talked about in the boardroom, which is actually being done as we speak, but it should be talked more about. That is something which I think is going to be one of the key takeaways. I think the message that I would like to give is that cyber security attacks is not a question of if but when, actually. So it is not, organizations should not be thinking that, okay, oh, I have not been compromised before, so I'm not going to be compromised in the future also. But you are going to be compromised. The real question is that, are you prepared for it, and are you ready for it, and ensuring that you have the right capabilities to manage such a situation if it arises, because trust me, when a cyber attack happens, a lot of questions are asked, and it becomes a real issue when you're trying to manage or recover from an incident. So that's, I think, would be my message to the industry.